of the rose when springing, love. At the sound of your voice I would loiter behind, so sweet is the charm of your singing, love. I heard it, I feared it, I knew that soft charm would slacken my speed and enerve it my arm. The dear drawing near now no more in alarm, through breaks in the woods a springing, love. Let my arrows be scattered, my bow be unstrung, and the deer all in safety be springing, love. Let me gaze on your eyes and attend to your tongue, while the woodlands in concert are ringing, love. While pining and twining the chaplet for me, thy hunter still chases a vision of thee. My youth and my truth from inconstancy free, I vow to you at the beginning